Good afternoon. It's Saturday, March 21st, day 131 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. It's 51 degrees and beautiful out, so let's go get my steps in. Starting out down at Point Beach. It's high tide right now. Beautiful blue skies. Just a gorgeous spring day. Let's get going. Now down at Gulf Beach. Beautiful blue skies. See Charles Island nice and clear. It is windy down here, as you see by the flagpole, which is normal for Gulf Beach, but it's making it feel cooler than the 51-degree air temp, but still gorgeous. I'll take it for the second day of spring. Let's keep going. Now down at Anchor Beach in Woodmont. Decided to walk this way instead of going towards downtown, because I did downtown yesterday. A little bit of a change of pace. Just absolutely gorgeous day. Always wish it was a little bit warmer, but I'll take the 50s. Let's keep going. All the duckies and the geese are enjoying the warmer weather too. It's a little less windy down here, but still windy, as you see by Signal Rock flagpole. Let's keep going on this gorgeous day. Just a gorgeous spring day. Love the blue skies and the warmth. Feels so nice to have the sun shining. And finally some warm weather. Can't wait till it's actually in the 60s and then 70s. Let's keep going. Day 131 complete. $26,320. See you all tomorrow. Bye.